Hi, I'm Jim Fossson, one of the attorneys here at Legal Help for Veterans. As a nationwide law firm assisting thousands of veterans each year with their VA disability claims, we have a chance to see trends on many issues that veterans may be seeing individually and not realize there's a trend. We do that when we're working with the VA through this process. One rather surprising trend we've seen this year is veterans not being compensated for their spouses in their monthly VA disability checks. We've heard from many clients this year that their monthly benefits do not reflect their spouse or additional dependents. Now, maybe it's because of COVID, we've had many veterans restricted to their houses over the last couple of years. But if you're rated at 30% or above by VA, you can add dependents like your spouse to your monthly compensation award. And by doing so, you're going to add another roughly $125 a month on top of what you've already received. The specific amount will vary, and it varies year by year. Think about COLA adjustments and those sorts of things. And the number of dependents increases the amount that you receive in that dependent compensation level. We've noticed this trend is mostly seen with veterans with long-standing disability ratings well above 30% that somehow have not added their spouses or dependents and are missing out on that increase in their monthly benefits. Now, why is this? This is essentially an oversight on the veteran's part. Maybe the rating was issued pre-marriage or in between marriages. Maybe the veteran never mentioned a spouse to the person who was helping them, the service officer, maybe who was helping them submit the claim. Now, naturally, as we all know, VA requires a specific form to be filled out to add a spouse or any dependent. That form is 21-686C, and it can be found on VA's website or using a link to this video's description to go get that form that you have to use. It explains the necessary proof to verify a marriage by ceremony, or a common law marriage, or even a tribal ceremony. The process to establish a same-sex or transgender marriage is no different from the process for a opposite-sex marriage. It's sad to really hear a veteran has died and never put their spouse on their VA disability benefits. That comes up often after the death. The spouse finds out, geez, we've missed this for all these years. That is difficult because they really could have used those funds. This actually happened recently with a new client. It's heartbreaking. So veterans and spouses need to know that there is no retroactive effect for this situation. So you can't get a back pay award because, well, I've been married for the 20 years. Well, you didn't submit the form, you didn't make the claim. So here are some of my suggestions. Do not assume that the spouse has been automatically listed. Check and confirm if you're getting that extra dependent pay. Do not assume that the service officer or the attorney that helped you knew that you were married and submitted the necessary paperwork. Remember, they don't know unless you tell them and provide them the necessary proof to establish that marriage. Do not assume it was automatic since your rating increased up to or above 30%. But really, this is low-hanging fruit, as we say. It's easy to fill out and provide proof of the marriage. Once you've finished that, VA is going to say, okay, and increase the monthly benefits. Again, you have to fill out and submit Form 21-686C and have the necessary documentation and proof of the marriage. If we can be of any assistance with filling out a new VA disability claim or increasing your disability rating, or just making sure that you're getting all your benefits, including adding your spouse, give Legal Help for Veterans a call at 800-693-4800. Once again, I'm Jim Fossone, and thanks for watching, and thank you for your service.